If you haven't heard about this magical coin that cannot be felt, you cannot see it, but you can transfer it as a form of payment. And can you imagine something like this being sold for almost $38,000 USD just for one coin? And experts predict that this price will continue to go up and up and up.
To infinity and beyond!
However, here's the risk of buying Bitcoin right now. We don't know what's the new peak or if this is the support level as well. So in today's video, we look at some ways we can get some Bitcoins. Hello beautiful people, I hope you guys had a fantastic new year. It's 2021 now, and for me personally, I do not believe in resolutions because none of it has ever worked for me. But if you have one that worked for you, and I hope you get a pretty sick one for 2021. So if you are new to the channel, my name is Jordan, and on this channel I share about personal finance, cryptocurrencies, and some of the investments that I'm looking to do, or experiences of investment that I have done. The whole idea of this is to share information with all of you so that you're able to learn something new, or just laugh at me to just relax after long days of work. Before we start this episode, always do your own research and do your own due diligence before buying or investing money into any instruments mentioned in this video, because there are risks that you might lose everything, and none of these platforms are SDIC or FDIC insured. And at the same time, there are a lot of scams going on. I just got a message from one of the viewers, and she told me that she got scammed about $8,000. It's pretty unfortunate, but I do hope that you guys do watch out for scams like this, especially when there are like a great hype about cryptocurrencies now, stocks and things like that. So towards the end of 2020, the main topic of the financial world seems to be about cryptocurrency, the stimulus packages, the stock market crashing. So what's really interesting is that there's a sudden interest in cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, and this has really ramped up a lot higher than what we have seen in 2017, 3 to 4 years back. But at the time of recording, Bitcoin is about $38,000, and for me, it's kind of risky to buy it again at such a high price, seeing how it's rallied so much, and the fear and greed index for the Bitcoin has shot its way all the way to the greed meter. However, if you're looking to earn some Bitcoins for free, here are some ways that you're able to get them. But as a disclaimer, it's a lot easier if you already have Bitcoin. But if you do not have Bitcoin, you just need to get some form of cryptocurrencies, and from there you're able to earn a little bit of Bitcoin. So the first way to earn Bitcoin is actually through this Google extension called Lolli. What Lolli does is it gives you cash back in Bitcoin. What this means is that when you purchase an item through Lolli, you get a certain percentage of your purchase returned to you in Bitcoin. So for example, if you have used Shopback, you have used eBay, it's pretty much very similar. All you have to do is to click on Lolli in the link down below. You're able to get to the sign up page. From there, you're able to install the application or the Google extension into your Google Chrome. However, it might take some time for the Bitcoin to be transferred into your account, so you need to be a little bit patient with this. But then again, it's a free platform, which means you don't need to get any Bitcoin to get started. The second way you can earn free Bitcoin is using crypto.com. Very similar to Lolli. What happens is when you make a purchase, you get cash back into your crypto.com account. So to get started with crypto.com, it's pretty simple. I've left a link in the description down below where you're able to sign up. That will bring you to the correct site. And when you reach the website, you're able to sign up for a free card, which means you don't have to stake any crypto to start with. So with a basic card, you get a 1% cashback on whatever purchase you make with that card. And as you go up the card tiers, there are higher rebates, there are benefits as well. And to get the higher tier cards, you need to stake CRO, which is their native token. So in one of my old videos, I did an unboxing of my MCO card. Basically, when I go out with my friends for drinks, for food, I'll use this card to pay for drinks, and I do get a 1% cashback in CRO, which is the crypto.com native token. So what you can do with CRO is to accumulate it, and you can set it for Bitcoin, but do note that there is a minimum of $30 before you can transact or sell your CRO tokens. But think about it, if you're getting Bitcoin by just going ahead with your life, and once you get the card, you just need to sync it to the app. It works hand in hand with the crypto.com app, and in the app you're able to see your balance and top up your card. So the best part of this is that this is a debit card, and you need to top up some cash into the card and spend it like you will with your Nets card or any other bank card, and you get CRO right back into your app. And once you hit $30 worth of CRO, you're able to sell it for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrencies that's available on the app. So to double up with this card, if you're someone that spends on a very regular basis, the amount of cashback that you have earned from crypto.com can be used and put into another platform or even in their own crypto earn. Last but not least, the final method to earn some free Bitcoin is BlockFi. However, with this method, you need to have your own cryptocurrencies or some cryptocurrencies to be able to leverage on this. So if you have done the first and the second method, chances are you have some free cryptocurrencies or free Bitcoin that can be put into greater use and earn you even more Bitcoins. So basically what BlockFi does and how it works is very simple. BlockFi is in the business of money lending. They loan out money to lonely loanies. So what happens here is that loanies will have to over-collateralize their loans to be able to get money from BlockFi. Most of these loanies are either unable to get a loan from the bank or do not want to sell their cryptocurrencies for a sudden need of cash. So for example, if somebody wants to borrow $5,000, they'll need to deposit at least $12,000 worth of cryptocurrencies or stable coins to get the loan of $5,000 in fiat. This way, BlockFi gets some money and protects themselves as well. But with crypto loans, you are able to stack your money. This means that if I have $12,000 worth of BTC earning me a 6% interest, I'm able to loan another $6,000 worth of BTC at a 4% loan rate and redeposit it into my interest account, giving me a higher interest yield. However, with this, you might over leverage yourself, and what if there's a sudden dip in Bitcoin prices? You might get into a margin call and you might end up losing your coins. So to get started with BlockFi is pretty simple. You can either purchase some Bitcoin from CoinHuckle or purchase some USDT from Binance. I have left links in the description down below for easy reference. Or if you have crypto from the first and the second method that we have talked about earlier, you're able to deposit them into the BlockFi app. For the record, I'm staking both Bitcoin and USDT, so my interest rate might be a little bit different from yours. The reason I'm using USDT is because it's a stable coin, because one USDT is equals to $1. So this protects me from fluctuation in the crypto markets, and at the same time, it gives me a higher interest rate as compared to the ones with Bitcoin. Okay, so right now you have some USDT. What you need to do next is to deposit them into BlockFi and you're all set. With BlockFi, you're able to select the currencies that you want to receive as interest, and for me, I've selected Bitcoin because I'm bullish on it and I would want to use this to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible. But then there are a few options for you to choose from depending on what you want to receive at the end of the day. It could be Ethereum, it could be Litecoin, it could be USDT, whichever floats your boat. So interest is paid out on a monthly basis and it's automatically compounded for you. So that's the beauty of it, and you don't have to do anything at all. Links are in the description. By using the referral link, you actually support the channel a little bit, and you do get Bitcoin in return if you're signing up with my link. So I hope these three methods of earning crypto or Bitcoins will get you a little bit richer in 2021. If you think this video has helped you, do drop a like, subscribe if you're not. Do check out our Discord server in the description down below. You're able to chat with everyone in the community as well. And I'll see you in the next episode.